Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to enter the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to enter the history. So let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. And as you can see they will disappear, but if you've got this list so wide then it will be quite hard to remove all of them manually. So then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. And now we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see we just go back to the history, which is empty right now. So it simply means that we removed everything starting from the browsing history and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.